If you're wondering how people are using AI to make at least $100 a day, this video is your goldmine. We're breaking down 6 widely profitable AI digital products that anyone can create, even if you're a total beginner. These are scalable, evergreen, and you can literally start selling them this week. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Karen, and I help beginners turn simple digital products into serious passive income. I started this whole thing from my cluttered living room as a burnt out graphic designer who was so over being broke. Now I run 2 successful 6-figure digital product businesses where I create digital products once and get paid on repeat. So let's get right into it. The first product on our list is ChatGPT prompt packs. These are everywhere right now and for good reason. You bundle up a set of prompts for a specific use case or niche. Think content creation, journaling, productivity, sales, customer support, or even parenting. You can sell them for $9 to $27 a pop. You only need a few daily sales to hit that $100 a day mark. Some creators are pulling in 4 figures weekly just from these. You don't need to be tech savvy to do this. If you've used ChatGPT before, you can reverse engineer what works and turn it into a money making product. And if you need help coming up with your offer, my free 500 plus digital product ideas guide will give you a lot of good ideas. You can grab it in the description below. The second AI digital products you can create are Midjourney prompt packs. These are hidden gems. If you create stunning visuals in Midjourney, you can document that exact prompt that generated them and sell the whole pack to designers, content creators, or Etsy sellers. Packs sell anywhere from $17 to $47. If your prompts help people create viral worthy or aesthetic content, you're golden. This is perfect for anyone who's more visual. You don't even have to draw, just have an eye for the style and experiment inside Midjourney. Third product on our list is AI generated stock photos. They are the new secret weapon for creators and digital product sellers. You use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Leonardo to create theme stock photo sets like boss moms at work or chic workspace flat lays and bundle them up. Sell them in bundles of 20 to 100 images for anywhere between $17 to $77, depending on the niche and the quality. You don't need a camera or any fancy lighting, and people are begging for unique, non-generic stock photos. And if you're not sure what should be your profitable niche, that's exactly what the Naomi Niche Bot is for. It will literally hand you your niche, a product idea, and a freebie that actually makes sense altogether. No guesswork. The link's below if you're ready to stop overthinking it. The fourth AI product on our list is PNGs for shirt designs. Print on demand just got a major upgrade thanks to AI generated PNGs. You can create a high quality transparent PNG for t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and more. Think retro coats, cute doodles, or trendy graphics. You can sell these individually for $3 to $7, or you can bundle it up for $10 to $30. Just 3 to 5 orders a day gets you past $100 days. This works especially well if you're in a niche like teachers, moms, dog lovers, or spiritual quotes. Create once and sell forever. Fifth on our list is affirmation cards. People are obsessed with affirmation cards, and AI lets you create them super fast. Use AI to generate 30 to 100 affirmations around a theme: abundance, confidence, love. Pair with Canva or Midjourney visuals and export as a printable or a digital card deck. These can sell for anywhere between $7 to $27 on Etsy or your own store. And once you've got your system set up, it's super fast to create more of them with Canva's bulk create feature. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to do a video on creating affirmation cards in literally 2 minutes using Canva's bulk create feature. I love creating affirmation cards because you don't need to be a mindset coach or a spiritual guru. If you love journaling, self-growth, or cute aesthetic vibes, like this is the product for you. And the last one on our list is email template vaults. Everyone wants to sell more but hates writing emails. That's where you come in. Use ChatGPT to create email swipe files, launch sequences, welcome sequences, or nurture emails and package them as an email vault. You can sell these easily for $27 to $77 per vault, depending on how niche and valuable your pack is. If you're good at communication or copywriting, this is your low effort, high reward product. AI does the heavy lifting, you polish and package it up. And if you're still watching, here's your permission slip to start. You don't need a huge audience or fancy setup, just one product, one niche, and a little creativity. And let me tell you, AI helps with that too. So make sure to grab my free 500 plus digital product ideas guide below to get inspired and start building your first or next bestseller. And if you want the full step by step on how to actually create and sell your products, that's exactly what I teach inside Canva to Cash. Templates, tutorials, and everything you need to go from idea to income. You can check that out in the description below. And make sure to hit the like and drop a comment and subscribe so you don't miss what's next.